front of me is TECNO Spark 20C, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Over here. Then click on App Permissions and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Now just tap on one of your apps under one of those categories. I will go with Chrome from allowed only while in use. Then apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the last one, so when I go back, I can see that Chrome no longer has access to my device's location. You can always select any feature, and this time select one of your apps that you wish to manage instead, like Gmail. Now click on See All Permissions at the bottom of the list and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!